Welcome to the pinnacle of American dreams, where opulence meets architectural brilliance. Perched high in the majestic hills of Bel Air, this estate offers unparalleled views and unmatched luxury. This isn't just a residence, it's a sanctuary of elegance, featuring the finest amenities and exquisite design. It's a testament to ambition, vision, and the extraordinary, redefining what it means to live in luxury.
Guys, what you're about to see is beyond luxury. A true masterpiece of architectural brilliance, beyond insane. It's literally the most expensive private residence in the United States. Let's go inside and explore its wonders. 31 opulent bedrooms, 21 lavish bathrooms, a garage for 50 cars, filled with the most exclusive luxury sports cars, a private nightclub with state-of-the-art lighting and sound systems, a personal movie theater with plush seating and the latest technology, a 4-lane bowling alley that rivals any professional setup, and a view that quite literally takes your breath away, offering a stunning panorama of the city. Welcome to 360-degree views of LA, from the sparkling ocean to the bustling downtown. You've got marble imported from Italy, chandeliers from Paris, and walls that disappear at the push of a button, creating an open-air experience. Professional chefs dream of kitchens like this, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and ample space for culinary creativity. And dinner? You're eating under a hand-painted ceiling next to a 24-karat gold sculpture, in a dining room fit for royalty. The primary suite alone is over 4,000 square feet, offering unparalleled luxury and comfort. That's bigger than most homes, providing an expansive retreat within your own mansion, with its own spa, 2 walk-in closets the size of boutiques, and a private balcony with a pool. There's a full-service spa offering a range of treatments, a state-of-the-art gym for all your fitness needs, and a private salon for personal pampering. And when the sun goes down, yeah, the entire lower level transforms into your own private nightclub, perfect for entertaining guests. This isn't just a house, it's a universe of luxury and extravagance. A 300-inch screen with ultra-high definition, plush recliners for 20 guests. And yes, there's a fully stocked candy bar and a state-of-the-art popcorn machine. There's nothing you can't do here. Poker tables, a private bowling alley, simulated golf with the latest technology. This house is basically a mini Vegas without the flight. Oh, and if you don't feel like driving, there's a helipad for your convenience. Obviously. So what does $295 million buy you? A lifestyle only a handful of people on the planet will ever experience. This is more than a home. It's a statement. It's a fantasy. It's the most expensive house in America. Like what you saw? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you live here if money was no object? See you in the next tour.